Hi guys, welcome to Shrisha's Kitchen, the taste of heaven. Today we are going to see how to make fried modak with a spicy filling. In the previous video we had seen how to make a normal and traditional modak. Today let's have a twist. In a bowl add 120 grams of atta, 80 grams of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of semolina, 2 teaspoons of hot ghee. Now let's combine everything together nicely. Then I'm going to add 250 milliliters of water. I'm not going to add them together. I'm just going to add them little by little until we hold the flour into a smooth dough. Friends, I have used maida and atta over here. If you want, you can add the whole quantity as maida or the whole quantity as atta. And that's it, our smooth and fluffy dough is ready. Now I'm going to pour a teaspoon of oil and apply it gently all over the dough so it becomes more softer and easy to handle. Now I'm going to cover it with a wet cloth. Now let's prepare our filling. I have took 85 grams of soaked green gram. While soaking, I have used enough water to cover the top. I'm adding the soaked water also. After a whistle, our green gram is ready. So now in a pan, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oil, half a teaspoon of mustard, a teaspoon of urd dal. After it has been sauteed well, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion. Now let's saute it again. Then I'm going to add in our green gram with the water, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Now let's saute them. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of pepper. It's going to be spicy. We need to mix them until the water has been evaporated. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of shredded carrot. Saute them well, and that's it. A spicy and tasty filling is ready. So now this spicy filling could also be used with the white traditional modaks. They taste amazing. If you don't know how to make it, do check our part 1 where I've told you how to make these delicious modaks easily. Coming back to our fried modaks, I have greased my hands with oil and I'm taking a hand-sized ball of the atta we had prepared. Now I'm going to shift it to a oiled board. So now I'm going to just gently roll it like a chapati. Friends, it should not be too thin nor too thick. So in this I'm going to keep our traditional filling which I have showed in our part 1 video. Now here, unlike the traditional modaks, you need to make fleets. That means you should fold inwards, then outwards, then inwards, then again outwards, and you need to do it all around until all the edges have been covered with the fleets. So once that is done, gently without folding the fleets, bring it to the top and cover it. Don't squeeze the fleets, friends. Then you could on the top make a little small mountain to give it that traditional look. And that's it. Our modaks are almost ready. So now let's do the same thing with our spicy filling we just made. Friends, especially over here, if you roll the dough into very thin sheets, all the green gram is going to just leak out. So it's really important you don't make it really thin. The fleets and it's just the same, so easy. And that's it. Both of our modaks are looking so cute and they are ready to be fried. You can deep fry or shallow fry the modaks, it is all your wish. But friends, while you're flipping the modaks, you should be really careful that you don't blunt the tips of the modak. Because that's the mistake I did. Mine are little blunt, but make sure you don't do that mistake. Otherwise, our modaks are so simple to make and very tasty to eat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and sure try this recipe and tell me how it came out in the comments down below. So thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.